as a JAMB candidate, there is no way you can run away from use of English. In fact, use of English should have the highest number of questions, 60 questions, while the other subjects will be writing has 40 questions, but you have 60 questions to contend with in use of English. That is why there is a lot of marks to be made or lost in use of English. Whether you are arts, science, pure science, any commercial arts, you must encounter use of English. So I've been making videos for you on use of English. This is part 22. I also encourage you to go over after watching part 22. Start from part 1, part 2, part 3 to watch. What we are looking at we have been looking at since part 20 or part 19. We have been looking at tests of orals, the aspect of use of English on tests of orals. In the other videos, we have handled issues of idiomatic expressions, antonyms, synonyms, and all the rest. But in this segment, we are focused on tests of orals because people fail it a lot. In fact, even teachers run away from it. But I am here giving you the secret and how you can pass. Question number 1. We are looking at monosyllabic words. One syllabic words, okay? In a monosyllabic word, this is question number 1. In monosyllabic words, stress is usually placed on dash. Monosyllabic means only one syllable. Only one syllable. Only one syllable, okay? We will see examples as we go on. In monosyllabic words, stress is usually placed on first syllable B, last syllable C, the only syllable D, the middle syllable. Of course, it is the only syllable because monosyllabic words has only one syllable. Question number 2. Which of the following words is monosyllabic? A. Market. B. Run. C. Teacher. D. Open. You can see that market has 2 syllables. You see, ma and ket. Then run has only 1 syllable. Run is the answer because it's monosyllabic. Then teacher. Teacher is diasyllabic. It has 2 syllables. Then open is 2 syllables too. Okay? Are you still following? Part 3. Which of these words has only 1 syllable? Which of these words has only 1 syllable? A. Chair. B. Office. C. Window. D. Doctor. You can see even from the way I am pronouncing it that it is chair. You pronounce chair straight. So the answer is A. I want you to learn. Remember, what you are watching is not Nollywood. You are not watching Love in Every Word. That is the trending Nollywood movie now. Okay, this is not Z-Word or Nollywood. You are watching something that will determine if you enter school this year. Okay, so I want you to treat it with all level of seriousness, starting from part 1. Number 4, identify the monosyllabic word in the list. Identify the monosyllabic word in the list. A. Love. B. Running. C. Enjoy. D. Mother. Of course, it is love. 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 I'm saying this love as if today is Valentine's Day. By the way, in our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, our goal is for you to gain admission this year. So I want you to claim that you will enter school this year. I want you to claim that you will score 300 and above in your JAMB. Nothing like 130, 170, even 200. No, 300 and above in this JAMB. I want you to claim that you will be proud of your JAMB results. You will make me proud. You will make your parents proud. You will make yourself proud. I want you to type, I claim it. Now, to make yourself proud, it means we need to work hard. We need to double your effort, double your study, double your impact. Okay? Number 4. Okay, we answered number 4. Number 5. Which of these words is not monosyllabic? Which of these words is not Monosyllabic. A. Sit. B. Book. C. Nation. D. Work. The answer, of course, is C. Nation. Sit, book, work, all of them are one syllables, but ne and shon contains two syllables. Okay, let's look at polysyllabic words, multiple syllable words. In question 6, in a polysyllabic word, primary stress is usually placed on dash. A. Any syllable. B. The last syllable. C. The most important syllable. D. The first syllable only. It is placed on the most important syllable. That is option C. Remember also that if you watch this video from here to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a gift. And that gift will be, I'll give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question for you. Free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past question for yourself. It will really help you. Free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past question. Just keep watching this video. Watch it from here till you get to the end. Okay? Which syllable is stressed in the word education? Education. A. First syllable. Education. Second syllable. Education. Third syllable. Education. Then D. Fourth syllable. Education. The answer is education. You stress the K, the CA. So the answer is C. In education. It is good you are watching these videos because you are really getting prepared for this exam. It is good you are watching these videos. I encourage you to start from part 1 to watch. After you watch this part 22, go over and start from part 1. Also, I've done a lot of videos on Lekki Headmaster. You can't resist the videos we've done on Lekki Headmaster. So you need to go over. Tell me if you need me to give you the link to all. I've done videos chapter by chapter on Lekki Headmaster, the JAMB novel. I've done chapter by chapter video on the expected questions. Each chapter, I've done expo questions on the novel, your JAMB novel. So if you need it, just tell me to give you the access to it. Lekki Headmaster, the JAMB novel. The primary stress on controversy is what? A. First syllable, controversy. Second syllable, controversy. Third syllable, controversy. So, last syllable, controversy. The answer is actually B. Control. I hope you are following. Okay. Question number 9. Which syllable is stressed in important? Important. Is it A. Important? Is it B. Important? Is it C. Important? The answer is B. It is the important. The B is the stressed syllable. Remember, these things we are solving are expected questions, possible questions, and past questions from JAMB. So don't joke with it. I want you to watch this video over and over again. When you get to part 1, watch it many times. Part 2, watch it many times. Let it sink into your medulla. Let it sink in. Let it sink in. And also, if the videos I've been making are helpful to you, if you have been benefiting from the videos I drop here every day, let me know. Tell me how these videos are helping you. It will motivate me to give you more videos. The correct stress syllable in examination is what? The answer should just be the examination. So the straight one is NA. It's not X. It's not A. No, it is examination. Examination. Are you following? I hope you are enjoying my class. If you're enjoying it, let me know. Okay. Word stress in common English words. Okay. The correct stress syllable in photograph is what? Is it photograph? Is it photograph? Is it photograph? The correct answer is A. Photograph. 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 So you stress the first one. Learn these things because JAMB will pick questions from here. In the word develop, stress falls on that. Develop. Develop. The answer is B. Develop. Develop. Question number 13. Identify the correct stress pattern in academic. 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 Is it in the first letter? Academic. Is it academic? Is it? The answer is academic. Demic. C is the correct stress. Which syllable? What I'm giving you are popular questions, so note them. You cannot run away from them. Which syllable is stressed in economy? Economy. 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 The answer is it economy? The answer is actually B. The second syllable, economy. You stress the first O. I hope you are learning. Remember that in this JAMB exam, you are going to be facing 180 questions. 180 questions. Out of these 180 questions, you have only 2 hours to answer 120 questions. 120 minutes to answer. Therefore, you will have only 40 seconds to answer. You have only 40 seconds to answer each question. If I were you, I would double my preparations, because once you enter the system, by the way, you should learn how to use computer. You should learn how to answer this CBT, because JAMB is computer based, right? You should learn how to use it. Now, once you log in, the thing begins to load. Okay, the thing begins to load, the time starts counting, and once the 120 minutes is gone, your system will shut down. So there is nothing like extra time. JAMB is a serious exam, and I need you to follow it with all seriousness. I will do my best by giving you videos every day, but then I need you to prove to me that you are serious. If you are serious, let me know. Do not disappoint me. Don't let my efforts to be in vain. Will my efforts be in vain? The correct stress syllable in industry is dash. A. Industry. B. Industry. C. Industry. It is A. Industry. So the stress is in the first syllable. Word stress in derived words. The stress pattern of democracy. Democracy. In this section of the videos we are making, we are just focused on test of orals. After test of orals, we will launch into another aspect of use of English, because my goal for you is to touch every aspect, both in English, physics, biology, government, literature, CRS, every subject, to touch every area and to ensure that you are 100% prepared, so that when you enter the exam hall, you will know that your uncle on YouTube, did his best for you. Okay, the stress pattern for democracy is democracy. The answer is B. The stress is in the second syllable, democracy, not democracy, not democracy, is democracy. The stress pattern for electricity is what? Is on the TRI, 3, electricity. So 3 is the one with stress, C. Question number 18. I'm sure these videos are helping. If they are helping, let me know, right? Which of these words has primary stress on the first syllable? Before I answer, please, if you have any issue affecting you in this JAMB exam, let me know. If there's anything preventing you from solving, from passing, if there's anything that will prevent you from getting admission this year, if there's anything that will prevent you from scoring 300 and above, if you're having any challenge in any way, feel free to talk to me. Feel free to talk to me, okay? Feel free to speak to me. Which of these words has primary stress in the first syllable? A, computer. B, manager. C, realization. D, engineer. The answer is B, manager. Manager. The first stress is what? The main stress is in the first one. The primary stress in recommend. Recommend is on dash. A, recommend. B, recommend. C, recommend. D, recommended. The answer is C, recommend. Mend. 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 Okay? Let's look at question 20. Which of these words has stress in the last syllable? Advice. Advice. B, holiday. C, family. D, teacher. Which of these words has stress in the last syllable? A, advice. B, holiday. C, family. D, teacher. The answer is A, advice. Vice is the one that is hugely stressed. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. Okay. Number 5. Identify the correct contrastive stress in this response. Statement: my brother bought a car yesterday. Response: no, he bought a motorcycle yesterday. The correct contrastive stress, is it brother or bought or car or motorcycle? Remember that the stress one is what? Car. The first assignment I have for you is tell me the meaning of contrastive stress. What does contrastive stress mean? Then you now tell me the answer to question 5. To receive the free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question, I promise you, just do 4 things. Number one, like this video. No. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. That is compulsory. Number 1 is compulsory. Join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Stop dodging to join. Go ahead and join. Click on join. Follow the prompts. Join our YouTube channel. It will give you access to me. You want to talk to me, you want to ask me questions, join our YouTube channel. That one is compulsory. Number 2, like this video. Click on like. Number 3, share this video. Click on share. Share it here on YouTube. Go ahead and share this video right now. Number 2, click on share again. Copy the link. Then share that link on WhatsApp. Share that link on Facebook groups, on WhatsApp groups, on Twitter, on Telegram channels. Share it in your class WhatsApp group. Share it in among your colleagues, JAMB groups, anywhere JAMB candidates are gathered. Share this link to them. Then finally, when you have shared, when you have joined, join is compulsory. When you have joined, like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Remember to submit your assignment. Type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you the materials I promise you. In the next video, we will continue. Remember to start to watch from part 1, part 2, and also ask me for the link to the other videos we've done. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it now and watch now.